With your BIBO bar, you get to choose your preferred temperatures for boiling hot, ice cold, and ambient dispensing. This is what you need to do. Touch the menu button on your BIBO bar screen. The menu will appear. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Touch the menu button again to navigate into the temperature settings. The different temperature icons will appear on the screen. Let's set the super boil water temperature by using the blue cup and white cup buttons. Press the menu button to save. Now navigate to the boiling temperature using the red cup button and adjust the water temperature to your liking using the blue cup and white cup buttons. Press the menu button to save. Follow the same routine to set the cold water temperature. Navigate to the cold water settings by pressing the red cup button until you have highlighted the cold water icon. Then set the temperature by using blue cup and white cup buttons. Press the menu button to save. Then do the same for your ambient or mixed water temperature settings. Once you're happy with your temperature settings, touch the menu button to save your settings. To go back to the home screen, press the return button twice. Here's a useful tip for setting your boiling water temperature. Your altitude affects the degree at which your water reaches boiling point. The higher your altitude, the lower the degree to reach boiling point. What does this mean for you? You don't want your BIBO bar to turn water into steam if too hot, so please consult your installation guide to find the correct temperature for you. If you're still not sure on the best temperature for your location, please call us on 0800 00 BIBO. That's 0800 00 2426, or email hello@bibo.co.za. Now it's time for some tea. BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.